Hello, it's Adewale back here again, and today we've got a major update to the one-click article writer. And this we're going to be writing this article now in under 6 minutes, maybe 6 minutes or under 6 minutes. And we're going to be writing a 5,000 word article in 6 minutes. Now, I made some major changes to the article writer. I'm just going to be discussing the changes, but just so that we don't spend too much time discussing the changes and then testing the app out. I'm going to run the app as I go through the changes with you, and by the time I finish explaining, you should have finished writing the article. So let's just do that. And I've got a stopwatch here so we can time it ourselves and see whether it really works. Okay, so let's write how to deal with a toxic daughter. Okay, so I'm going to press generate and press start and start timing. Generate, start. Okay, so what's the update we've made? Just before I talk about the update quickly, so those of you who may not really understand how to go about starting using this app, you need to use your openai API key, and I've included a link to the video that explains how to get your key. You see, it's already generated the avatar in under 20 seconds, right? So you got to get your key, put your key in here and click submit. Then it should start remembering your key. If you don't want it to keep remembering, just click forget. It will forget. But so that whenever you open the app, your key is already in there. You can just leave it as submit. So you just put in your title and click generate, and it should go ahead and generate an avatar, generate a book outline, and then generates the article. Now it's going to generate. One of the major changes I've made is to make sure it, whenever it generates, it always generates at least 5,000 words. Most of the time, generates more than 5,000 words. So it's already started to write the article from the outline. So it's using this outline to guide itself to write the article. Now, so what's the major changes? So one major change is that it's now writing a lot faster. Initially, we were writing it at maybe 15 minutes to write the whole article. Now it's writing the whole thing in roughly under 6 minutes. So that's one major change. Another major change to the update that we've made is that we now have a clear all button. We can stop the app if we wanted to, and there's still a little bit of bugs that I'm still trying to work out here, so that whenever you stop, it stops immediately. So sometimes when you click stop, you may have to wait a little bit, then it stops, and then you can regenerate the article again. Now, I feel that perhaps the biggest part of this change is to do with the article itself. Now, what you may have noticed in the previous ones was that whilst the articles made sense, it still felt a little bit clunky. I would have likened it to someone who was like 6 months experience in writing an article. So what I've done is I've gone in and adjusted the prompts in such a way that it always produces very good article. Maybe good enough for someone who has been experienced in writing articles for about 10 to 20 years. So as you read through the article, you'll notice it's clear, it makes sense, and it's connected all through. There may still be some things that you need to adjust to connect. Now, this time around, previously I was just using logic instructions to get the ChatGPT to write the article. So I found that worked sometimes, it didn't work sometimes. So it just made it give it a bit of a hit and miss. So I changed the process to the approach we used to use in closest copy when we're instructing our the frameworks. So I'm just kind of instructing ChatGPT in a similar way as it's writing the whole article. And so you read through, you find out everything is going to be right and it's clear. So in under 3 minutes, we've written 11 chapters of this article. You could say a chapter could be like a paragraph or a section of the article. And so it's going to go right through and completely write the whole thing. So if you're interested in getting this and you haven't gotten your hand on it, just join the group, the Facebook group. The link is going to be in the description below, and all you just have to do is just join the group. The link to download the article is already in the group, so you just join the group and you can access the link to the article writer immediately. Now, I know some people are still saying, okay, this is using the API. I've already paid for ChatGPT. Okay, it's almost done now. Okay, it's generating the conclusion now. I'll reach this in 5 minutes. An article completed. Let's pause. So we completed the article this time around under 5 minutes. And I guess it's going to be anything between 5 minutes to maybe 7 minutes when you run it. But the point here is, it's done a very good article. The points flow and follow. Now, for those who perhaps maybe they're thinking, okay, I don't really want to use an API, open API, because I'm already paying for ChatGPT. Is there any option for using some of the prompts or the benefits from this in the web app of ChatGPT? So what I have is similar prompts that help enable you to write that article automatically. You can have access to the prompts as well in a Google Chrome extension I've created. And what this really is it holds all the different prompts as templates in these 12 template boxes. I'm creating a functionality that will allow you to be able to edit it and adjust it to your needs. But for now, that's still not working perfectly. So it's work in progress. So all you just have to do is, when you can create your outline. We create a similar type of outline as with what the app automatic app does, and you have all these different modules that help you to then flesh out the body of your content. And if you want, you can write 10,000 words in 5 minutes, just like that with this extension. So if you're interested in this extension as well, just let me know in the Facebook group if people would like to have access to the extension. It's not yet in the Play Store and Google Play Store. However, I can give you the package so you could just run it on your system. I'm still tweaking some things before I make it live in the Play Store. So let me know if you like to use that extension. All it just does is you put in the title, and then you perhaps put in the bullet points for the section or the body content that you want to write. You put it in here. You click one of these. It fills up with a prompt that will allow you to write a very good quality part of that article. So if you're interested, let me know. Otherwise, that brings us to the end of the program. Actually, I should test this, shouldn't I? The last time I pressed delete. If I go in here, and so this is 5,378 words. So we wrote 5,378 words just over 5 minutes. And so apologies there. I know I had to sort of stitch bits and pieces together as I was trying to do the video. I had some problems. So I hope that will make sense. If you want the app, all you just have to do is to join the Facebook group. the link is already available in the app, in the Facebook group. So the link to the updated, so actually any link to the app you click should take you to the updated downloads, and then you can run and benefit from the new changes. Okay, so wishing you all a wonderful afternoon. Bye.